TV GH, Toronto, Canada. Body bin, body wun, body bem. Ear.
Milo TV, body bim, body bim, body bim. Yeah.
All right, I was here for your say, and a special day. We have a special person, Mr. Charles, a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, IRB, Refugee and Immigration Board. As usual, we have Mr. Bruce, collaboration with Promas. Let's say, I need you some. If we have this man, oh guys, boom, we are gone. Yes. Do not forget, 30th of August. Come to 3430 Derry Road and go away. Meet and greet. Meet and greet. Come and have fun. Come meet Mr. Charles. Pick your phone, pick your book and pen. Start writing something down. Just something down. Come over. Ask him, Mr. Charles, if I do this, if I do that, what is the consequence? If I do this, if I do that, what is the advantage and disadvantage? Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, Mr. Kwesi Charles. Mr. Charles, welcome to Milo TV.
Yeah, same here. I feel privileged to be with you.
Okay.
And I wish all Ghanaians to be there
Okay.
at the Milton Park on 30th of August.
Sure.
I'll be there. Mr. Bruce will be there. Mr. Miller will be there. There will be lots of fun. And there will be lots of activities.
Sure.
Apart from there, you can have free immigration advice.
Sure.
You can bring your case to me. We can discuss it out over there, and I'll give you some good advice.
Fantastic. Okay, so we have Mr. Bruce here. Mr. Bruce, Yamuakwaba.
MC.
Sure, Mr. Bruce, upon Boko there.
Boko now.
Nice one. Mr. Mihoye Pa. Yeah, first of all, you really can't was the same po. What say what that now work for Mr. Charles, our regulated Canadian immigration consultant. And Mr. Bruce, my main fact when you tsunami na wase. Nipa bi kan sem e wo wachi a wonte e good news. Of course, e bi mo nipa bo abaso. People really appreciate what you are doing for the Ghanaian community. Me feel say won so quota kakra betimi aye de aboa no. Nyame onsure on trewashim when you free esan mu na on push your agenda na enko nanim. Mr. Bruce, yema nkomo. Mr. Charles aba. Wadama woni kofar bai. Yen sha se nemo bo ne mfe na afi onyi answers ne enwo.
MC, with that OBBR say for watching us and Milo TV subscribers. Yeah.
Sure.
And Mr. Charles, why in Yama Bibri, am a community now? We've been helping a lot of people. And Osha Yama why na mean to me in Kaniniawa. Mr. Charles, thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr. Bruce.
And it was for Abroche, about half for Abroche baby. Immigration at the end and find show.
Dabi.
Because all the show now to our channel. Bibi o you can say time and time and train obia into uye bibia na why in tem answer na problem about.
Okay.
Come out. Free immigration advice I will meet and greet festival.
Sure.
And Odi no so to nchen and then your question bia you person Mr. Charles to answer it for us. MC. The processing times for refugee and spousal application. A lot of people are confused because Mr. Charles, a lot of people they submitted the application for refugee 2023. Some people submitted the application ending of 2024, but they call them for hearing.
Well, it all depends upon, file to file, which category you have applied, and what kind of documentation you have added to the file. So how much urgent your file was. Secondly, which person processed your file. So there are many factors to that. And the filing process is not homogeneous across the board. So some files get picked up earlier, some file takes some time. So it all depends upon different parameters, different factors. So don't be discouraged. Your file will be heard. You will be called in for interview. Just stay put in. And if you still have any questions, you can contact Swagat Immigration.
Okay. All right. So this is Milo TV, Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time. Like our videos. And hey, guys, go direct to the comment section. Mr. Charles is here. Do not hesitate. Whatever question that you have, go there and then bring your comment on board. Okay. So, Mr. Charles.
Yeah.
There is something going on here in Canada. That thing, we've never heard it before. Before it was normal, but now they are asking this question, or they are saying something like, uh, Bill C2, Bill C2, Bill C2. People are scared. So, can you please explain to us what is the meaning of Bill C2, what is the consequences, and what is the advantages of Bill
Okay,
C2?
I'll explain you in a layman's term like
Okay.
what the changes the immigration is trying to bring in so that everybody understands instead of using a legal lingo. So Bill C2, they have observed, the parliament has observed that a lot of people are putting fictitious or fraudulent refugee cases. So in order to stop those, they are trying to bring in a Bill C2, which would strengthen our borders primarily, which would strengthen the immigration system. So what it means is there are certain provisions such as people who have been living in Canada for more than 1 year will not be able to apply for refugee.
Asamaba.
And people who are coming from third safe party country like America, they will have only 14 days to apply for refugee claim. So people who have been living, in US, they applied for refugee. They come here again in Canada because they've been thrown out of US. They come here, they apply for refugee. So again, there are stringent rules which will restrict them for applying for refugees. So in all, it's trying to, you know, maintain the integrity of the system. They are trying to weed out fraudulent refugee cases.
Okay.
So you don't worry if your case is genuine. There is nothing to be worried about. You can go ahead and talk to us on 30th of August at Malton Park, or you can come to the office or call Mr. Bruce, and then he'll give you the directions in your language if you don't understand English,
Fantastic.
and we'll be able to help you out.
Okay, so Mr. Charlie, before we continue, I would like to know where you are located, even though you've been saying it on Bruce's network and stuff. Just tell me your location, your address, your phone number, everything, so we could know where you are located.
So Swagat Immigration is based at 55 Woodbine Downs Boulevard. It's at Highway 27 and Finch intersection at Highway 27 and Albion. So between Highway 27 and Finch and between 27 and Albion, you'll see a Finchwood Plaza. We are located over there. So if you're coming through Albion at Highway 27 and Albion, if you're coming through Finch, Highway 27 and Finch.
Fantastic.
There's a big plaza, Finchwood Plaza. I'm right next to McDonald's. You cannot miss me. You'll see big signs for Swagat Immigration. My phone number 416-939-3131. info@swagatimmigration.ca is the email. So do come, see us at my office or see me on 30th of August in Malton Park.
Okay, so
Thank you, Mr.
what is your availability? What time do you work, and what is your...
The office is open 10 to 6 every day except on Saturdays. But I would suggest everybody to just give us a call. We generally take walk-ins from 11 to 6. So do call us ahead so that we are, free at that time when you come in.
Okay, all right. Milo TV,
I have
Toronto,
a question.
Canada.
Mr. Shalish, since we started 2025,
Yeah.
Canada is issuing a lot of people PRA, PRRA. Can you explain that, and why is Canada doing that?
So pre-risk removal assessment document. So if your refugee claim has been rejected and Canada still wants to give you a chance that you will be tortured in your country when you go home, although your refugee has been refused and 12 months have passed. So they give you another chance to explain to the CBSA why you should not be deported to your home country and what are the risks involved if they deport you, and what kind of torture or what kind of life-threatening situation prevails in your country. So this is another, to be fair to the person who is being deported, there's another chance which is called PRA instrument. And if anybody whose refugee application has been refused, his appeal has been refused, and right now he's on being deported, he may be eligible for PRA. So do contact us. We will figure out your eligibility and will guide you accordingly for PRA.
Okay, so Mr. Charles, as I'm speaking to you right now, I know of a Ghanaian who went to hearing. He failed the first time. He went for appeal. He failed. Now, officially, they've written to him to leave Canada. What about this type of
So
person? Is it possible you can save the person here?
if 12 months have passed
Mhm.
and he's being here in Canada, we may be able to apply for PRA, but we'll have to check his personal status so he can visit our office,
Okay.
and that's how we will be able to make an assessment whether he qualifies or not.
Fantastic.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shilish. Mr. Shilish, there's a lot of people in the Ghanaian community. Sometimes, you remember one guy, I sent him to you. He was using Gen 1 and police arrested him. What happens if someone has a criminal record and he or she want to apply for permanent residence in Canada? Because how can you drive with Gen 1 license, MC?
And is G1 driver's license, if you drive with G1 driver's license, is it like criminal record?
It's a learning license.
Okay.
So learning license, you have to be with somebody. So if you break a law, basically, primarily, there will be consequences, and you'll have to declare if you have been charged previously with any offense. So in your all immigration applications, you have to declare truthfully. If you do not declare that you have been charged criminally, there may be some immigration consequences for you. So always declare whatever has happened.
Okay.
So-
Okay. No, like, okay, so on the safer side, or to be safe, what do you think these international students, refugees, asylum seekers, what would you tell them today? Stay away from trouble, and what else?
What I would suggest them, if you are into a situation where you think you are, you're getting agitated or this person is going to begin a fight, always take 2 steps back, move back from the situation. Do not get yourself involved into any fight. Do not get yourself involved in any criminal activity. This could be very, very harmful for your immigration status. So once you are your temporary worker here, immigration sees it differently. They may, delay the application of your temporary status or may even send you a deportation order.
Wow.
So do not get involved into any criminal activities. Each activity has a different consequence, but my general advice, stay away from any criminal activity, any illegality.
Fantastic.
While, it doesn't pay off.
Okay, so Mr. Charles, I want to hear it. They've accepted me. I came back. Now, I had an issue. Like, I was drunk. The police arrested me. I cannot even stand.
So drunk driving is a criminal offense. It's a serious criminal offense.
Okay.
Even if you are a PR, you could be deported based upon your drunk driving. If you are violently involved in a fight, you could still be deported. If you are involved
Fight?
if you fight with somebody, it's a violence, and if you get charged from the court for more than 6 months, it's still, if the offense is punishable for more than 6 months, you could be deported. So do not get into any illegality. That's what I'm trying to tell. If you're involved into domestic violence, drunk driving, fighting between friends, or in public, something happens, you are still liable for that. And if you are PR, your PR card could be
Revoked.
Yeah, revoked, and you could be still, you'll have to face an IAD hearing, Immigration Appeal Division hearing. So that would be very, very costly, and even there are no guarantees that you are going to win an IAD appeal.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Shilish.
Okay, so Mr. Bruce, before you come in, I would like to say this. Okay, so we are so privileged to have this man here. Some people will come to my office and then pay for consultation fees. But this man here, may God bless you, my dear brother. May God bless you in
Thank you, my
abundance.
friend. Thank you.
He devoted his time, all because of Mr. Bruce. We got to know this guy, and he said, Milo, let me come on your YouTube channel to explain certain things to the Ghanaians who are here seeking asylum or refugees. So, Mr. Charles, thank you. Now, do you have any question to ask? I'm trying my best to invite him one more video before we go to meet and greet. So if you have any question, go direct to the comment section and then put it there. Mr. Bruce.
Mr. Shilish, can
Yes,
a
Mr.
refugee travel to the United States?
Well, if you are an approved refugee and you have a protected person status, you may apply for a visa. It will depend upon the visa officer to give you visa or no. So, you know, it all depends whether if you get a US visa. But you have to make an application for visa. If you're granted a visa for US, you may. If you're not granted a visa to travel, you may not.
Thank you, Mr. Shailesh. We are introducing Canada to the world. Guys, make sure you share this video to your friends, all refugees in Canada, visitor visa holders, and international students. Shailesh, I saw it on the internet. Express entry, right now you have to do upfront medicals.
Well, once they call you for an ITA, then you have to do medicals. Not that when you apply for an express entry profile. So it's a misconception. Once you are invited for an ITA, you need to do. And if you have already done your medical, then you may not be invited to do another medical. So it all depends. But generally, it was there previously. Before COVID also the same provision was used to be there. So they had given a temporary policy that people who are in Canada, they do not need to do medical after, because they have done it for temporary visas. But now if you have you know, when you get an ITA, you need to do a medical.
Okay, thank you so much. And Mr. Shailesh, God bless you so much.
Yeah.
We have a lot of healthcare workers in Ghana.
Yeah.
How can one come to Canada with express entry?
So express entry is a point-based system. It's a point-based metrics. You have to apply to the system. You have to see what your CRS score is. And based upon your CRS score, there are draws, and anybody who's sitting in Ghana or anywhere in the world can apply to express entry. And there are now targeted draws for categories also. For example, teachers, for skilled trades, for different variety, you know, STEM. So you need to, if you're coming in general category, there's a score which is on an average around 520 somewhere, but it keeps varying all the time. If you need some guidance with express entry, we will calculate your score free of charge. We will give you your CRS score based upon the information you give us, and we'll be able to make your you know, assessment easy. So if somebody is interested in express entry profile, they can contact us, and we will go through his educational documents, his immigration documents, and advise him what category he should apply, whether he should apply for ONIP or express entry or any other stream.
All
And
right.
we'll guide him accordingly.
Sure. Okay, so guys, reach out to Mr. Charles, a regulated Canadian immigration consultant who is here to help you get your stay in Canada. Mr. Charles, how come some people will go to hearing and the application will be rejected? They'll ask you, or go, you hear from us. They write you cannot stay in Canada again. What happened?
So what happens is that it all depends upon whatever narrative you sent to the IRB did not match at the time threshold of the, you know, assessing member or the judge. So it all depends upon whatever narrative was sent, whatever evidences you supported it, and your hearing did not go well. So that's why the judge refused it. So he may not think that the case is genuine. It all depends upon how the case was presented, and whatever the evidences were there, and what were the credibility factors before the RPD member.
All right. So, if you could remember, let's throw back a bit. Like 2 3 months ago, before the elections, the conservative were pushing that the Liberal has allowed so many people into Canada. This, every day that. And they even push to the extent that Justin Pierre Trudeau have to resign because of like pressure. Do this, do that. So let me ask you, are these immigrants helping Canada or not?
Well, immigrants have this is an immigrant country, so immigrants have been helping Canada all the time, and immigrants are the future of this country, because the baby boomers are aging. They will retire very soon. There are jobs to be filled up. But the thing is that most of the immigrants are located in 1 or 2 cities, and that's causing a problem.
Okay.
So 2 or 3 cities have been overcrowded, You know, if you look at the metros, which is Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, these are overcrowded, whereas the rural Canada is empty. Nobody wants to go there. Everybody wants to be in, these metropolitan cities. So these cities have serious housing problems right now. They are going through some, medical problems as well because the hospitals are crowded.
Okay.
But I will suggest that immigrants needs to travel to the rural areas where actually Canada needs people.
Okay.
They need people all over Canada, but in certain rural area. Look at Manitoba, not many people. Look at Saskatchewan. Look at Northwest Territories. Look at Nunavut, hardly any population. So try to be in those provinces where, and in rural areas, rural Ontario, they are calling you. They have certain streams, RCIP, rural immigration programs there. So just try to find jobs in those rural areas. Canada needs immigrants and needs it badly. So, but in the right place.
Okay, so this is Milo TV, Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time. Like my videos. You go straight to the comment section. Very, very important. If you have a problem with regards to immigration, this is your doctor. He is here to inject you. He is here to prescribe a medicine for you. So do not hesitate. Do not hide. Do not go anywhere. Feel free. Ask him whatever question you want to ask. However, on the 30th of August, we are all going to Moulton Park, 3430 Derry Road and Galway to have fun, to chill. That place will be so nice to the extent that this man, Mr. Charles, a regulated immigration consultant, will be there for free immigration advice. Okay, so let me throw back a bit for you guys to understand something. I came here 15 years ago, and before I was coming, guys, I never heard of what we call immigration lawyer or a consultant. I never heard of anything like this. But right now, look at you. You are so lucky. You are so fortunate. Kind courtesy, Mr. Bruce. You have this lawyer, you have this consultant to tell you what to do and what not to do. So, Mr. Bruce, once again, thank you. Mr. Charles, Mr. Charles, thank you once again.
Yeah, thank you once again.
Thank you. So, we're not done with the interview. We have like 3-4 minutes, but I'm just trying to express my feeling for you to know. No, I mean, how many people would do this to our people? How many, Ghanaian regulated immigration consultants would do this for free? People will ask you, come to my office and pay for consultation fee, but you are doing it for free. May God bless you, my brother.
Thank you, my friend.
Okay.
All credit goes to the Ghanaian community.
Okay.
And no question is silly, no question is stupid. Any question you have in your mind, if you think that is relevant, you may ask me. We don't judge by questions. We don't judge by anything else. We see you as a human being. You are not a file number with us. You are a human being, and we see you as that. And every person is important to me, because you are my family. You are my community. I'm yours. So just drop in, and I'll give you whatever is the best interest of yours. So I'll keep your best interest, and I'll guide you accordingly.
How come you love Ghana people? Is it because of our jollof or Banku and okra stew?
Ghana people, let me tell you, one of the most peaceful community I have found.
Okay.
Like they, one of very peaceful and very loving community. I've been associated now almost 5 years.
Sure.
And I somehow enjoy them. Never had any issue with them. They are so simple that it's amazing to me that these people, their people on earth, can be so simple and so cooperative.
Sure. So what I'm doing right now, even though I know you have Indian wife, I'm still arranging to get you Ghana wife. We want to have your baby in Ghana. Yeah, Mr. Bruce. Yeah, because
my wife better not see this.
MC, there was another video. It was for part 2. Mr. Charles and Kwabet now. How to win your refugee case 2025 in Canada.
Okay.
Complete guide.
Sure.
Mr. Charles should teach them.
And
so you're gonna ask Mr. Charles a lot of questions about refugee.
Sure.
What is refugee? And if you know your life is in danger, you don't have to go for it. They can deport you from Canada. He's gonna advise and show the eligibility way.
Sure.
So Mr. Charles,
and one more thing, Mr. Bruce. Before we say goodbye to Mr. Charles, I would like to ask this question. So possibly, if you've been in Canada for 2 years, it is very hard to seek asylum right now, right?
Well, it all depends. So what situation prevailed at this point of time? What is the situation? If you're applying for refugee after 2 years, what is the reason for you applying refugee right now? So if your situation back home has turned hostile or something has happened, it all depends upon different factors.
Okay.
So for example, if you are in a zone and all of a sudden civil war started in your area, some political upheaval started, or your house is attacked back home with something. So it all depends upon case to case basis.
And the case is one, let's say abuse. You are a woman, your husband is abusing you. You can use that to claim, right?
Well, domestic violence claim can be used for the refugee claim.
Okay, two. Like let's say in my country we don't have civil war, but we have these issues going on. When we go to the north, Boko, they are killing police officers, they are killing school children, all this.
It all depends upon your personal circumstances.
Okay.
What you're facing. If there is a serious threat to your life, then only claim refugee status.
Okay.
So the case has to be genuine. But if you are facing any threat, yes, you have to discuss in person. Each case is different. So I'll be able to answer once you come to the office and discuss your personal case with me.
And let's say land dispute.
Well, as I said, each case is different. So if there is a threat to your life for any reason, you may be eligible for refugee.
Fantastic.
So threat to life is there.
All right. Okay, so obviously for the diakoso ya ne pitri enne ya dware wa ma ho afi we wantue sika wantue $1 wantue $2 when you this free immigration advice kan ka this Mr. Bruce momfa as the PSC mfa Mr. Bruce na momfa de aka ema Mr. Charles me de bonus. But then I'm trying to let you know say enema bi anipa bi etu omo ho asi koduam so omo ye no moma yemfa anigye enhia wo mo yemfa odo yemfa opepa yemfa tema ene de aka nyina yemfa enhia wo mo na Bruce waya ade waboa community ne bedu mre bi nipa bi bebo nipa bi din ewo kuruma sha na ye nimu da cause ye baaye no ye nhia bi sei da ye baaye obekọ ene immigration lawyer akotena se ana consultant akotena se you have to pay. Yes, I'll be honest here, even now kra bi mu wo ho a ya ye kromfo e bi kra no wo no mo akotena se you still have to pay. But papa we to ho asi wo adwuma no so wo ye metimi account so many people a why den wodi wo mo anim awoni wo mo cases am wo nti abusiafo yedimo ebesi he ya yedamase. The Bible says there is time for everything, time to sow, time to reap. Mr. Charles, Mr. Bruce, answer never kono. So we be here for 2 January.
Abusiafo na ye ka no mo mi sha o Martin Park 3430 Derry Road and Galway.
Okay.
Mr. Charles will be about na rough and smooth I can for me.
Hi, Kemi.
Kemi, how are you? Thank you for watching. Introducing Canada to the world.
Bruce, you see my friend, very cute. Yeah. I'm taking this advantage to invite her. Yeah, I'm with TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time. Like my videos, comment, and then share. Bada bim, bada boom, bada bam.